The new, better looking and cheaper remote from GoPro that only works with GoPro Hero 8, Hero 9 and GoPro Max. Is it worth getting it? Let's find out. Hey, what's up everyone, welcome to Gadgets with Alan. I do not own the old smart remote from GoPro, so I can't do a comparison between it and the new remote. So this video will be based solely on the user experience on the new remote. It feels really nice in the hand with the rubber finish and a round edge. You'll only find one trigger button at the front of the remote, leaving a lot of space for the big screen. The other buttons has been reassigned to the side of the remote. The setting buttons and the mode buttons doubled up as a navigation button, moving up and down the menu items, and a trigger button to select the menu item. The remote can be paired to control up to 5 cameras at a time. The pairing of the remote and the camera works in a similar way to how you would normally pair a Hero to a smartphone. Once it's paired up, you can easily change the mode of the camera between the time-lapse video and photo, and also the presets on the camera by using the remote. The power button at the top also opens up the setting menu to the remote itself. Here you can pair with new cameras, connects to paired cameras, and changing the display orientation. I will find the remote useful, especially in situations when the camera is mounted on my body and out of reach and out of sight. With the big LCD screen and the red status light, it's very easy for me to check the status of the camera without looking at it. I like it especially when the camera is mounted on my head or on my chest. So the remote will let me know the status of the camera and of course control the camera during activity with ease and safety. So that's my short review on the new GoPro remote. I hope that the information is helpful and interesting in some way to you, and if it does, please like and share this video. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell button. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again in the next one. Bye!